Would you buy or sell? You've got just 5 seconds to comment. Okay, let's break down the chart together. We are in a clear downtrend as we are having lower highs and lower lows. And this line separates previous day from today. And here we got the last important horizontal level of the previous day that was broken with this full body downward candle that was in a downward spike that shows the strength of the downward price movement. And then the price had a pullback to the same area to retest it. But this long shadow suggests that the buyers tried to break above it, but sellers were ready at this important horizontal level, and the price tried several times to break above this level. If I connect this high to the higher high, here we got the third reaction to trend line. And keep this important point in your mind that the third reaction to the trend line is always an important reversal point, especially when you have a pin bar with a long shadow, which is at the same time at this important horizontal level and this trend line. So this long shadow suggests that the buyers tried to break above these two levels, but sellers entered and dominated. And here we got a wedge by connecting this low to the higher low. And here we got the wedge that had this downward spike and then reformed, and here we are going to have the second leg of this downward price movement. So with this strong downward candle breaking below this trend line, I can enter a sell position and set the stop loss above the candle. We are entering a sell position which is in the same direction with the downward price movement and the previous trend. And let's see how this trade works. To find the exit point of this trade, we can have the first leg here. And if I just copy and paste it here, here we got the exit point of this trade. This is Ali Oliyaee from LinixBit, and I'm trying to sharpen the trading community on YouTube with my trading challenges. I would be really glad to have you in my community. Subscribe to see more videos.